Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Sorry I haven't posted for quite some time, but today I'll try hopefully to again post regularly. Today I want to show you a funny, interesting tip when it comes to Nonprofit Cloud. You see here, we are people that are not familiar with Nonprofit Cloud. That could be a little bit confusing, but for people that are, this is going to be very useful for you. So you see here, we are looking at the benefit object, right? I want to show you a component. I'm going to go to benefit session here. And I want you to take a look at this component. Okay, it's called the attendance tracker. This component, out of the box, this is a pre-configured org that I just signed up for. You see here we have the recipient, disbursement status, unit of measure, disbursed quantity. This is represents basically uh, benefit disbursement records, but instead of showing numbers like this, it has like it's more user friendly. There are the recipients, you have more relevant fields to look at. Sometimes the client wants to have more fields of the benefit disbursement shown on this component. Let's say as a new columns. Now, if I go here to edit page, just to show you how the component looks like, a lot of people doesn't seem to know that this component can be edited, because the first time you see it, there is nowhere to be edited anyways, or you can edit it. So you see here, you have the set component visibility, and the way how you can edit it, it's actually very interesting. You will need a field, just a spoiler alert. So here you see this component, right? um, I want to add more columns to it, showing more disbursement or benefit disbursement fields. Now, if you don't have it, you might not have it in your org, you can just like go to edit page and add it. It's called attendance tracker. Now I'll go back. The first thing you need to verify is when you go to that benefit, that is the benefits object that you have, try to find a field that is called benefit disbursement set or field set. Then you will go to object manager. If you don't see it, for example, here I don't have it, I can just go to page layouts and then add it from here. It's called benefit disbursement field set. Save. Go back, refresh. If it doesn't show up like this, you don't have to log out and log back in. This is another tip that you can use. You can just change the display density from comfy to compact. And then now here you have it. Okay, all good. Now, how is this field actually changes that attendance tracker? I will show you now. So first I will go to object manager, go to benefit disbursement, and the first step is to go and create a field set. Okay, new field set. This is the one, because actually this field right here, the values that you see here are field sets that actually manipulate that attendance tracker, which is interesting. I was like, really? Wow. So I will call it LinkedIn set. And oops, I meant to add it to the description, because if we save like this, you will need to have a description populated. Cool. Let's double check what do we have here. Let's say we want to have the same thing, recipient, as this one, and then status, then unit of measure, but I want to add more dispersed quantity. Yes. Now, let's say the clients want to see more fields here. For example, could be benefit session, could be actual completion dates. You know, add maybe two more just to test. For me, it's good. If it has these additional fields as columns, it's perfect. Now we'll save. Are you done? Not quite yet. I will go back, refresh this, and then it's still showing up the same it is, the same how it was, even if I hard refresh. Now I'll go to that benefit. By the way, I need to make sure that I'm looking at the right benefits for this benefit session. So I'll go schedule. From schedule, I will go to benefit. Yeah, this is the benefit. And then I will go to the fields that I've just added to the page. Click here, and the field set that I just created will show up. I'll choose it and then save. Okay, all good. Now, if I go back to that session and refresh, ta-da! You'll see that your actually attendance tracker got modified and now has basically the new fields that we've just added together. I honestly I knew about field set, but not a field that can, because sometimes if you don't find it on the page, there's no way you will know. But this is how you can basically edit this component. So thank you. Maybe this is a case for another org. I don't know. Could be, but just keep it in mind. Okay. Thank you so much again for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Take care. Bye bye.